The question is this: if I request access to a Google file and then I delete my Gmail account, which by the way is really drastic, will the user who I asked for access to the file still know that I requested access to that file? Let me show you what this is all about. I have this file right here. This file belongs to burrisconsulting@gmail.com, and they have given me view access, and I'm going to request edit access. So I've clicked on request edit access, and I'll send a note to the owner and ask for edit access. So let me do that. Now let me show you the email that they got. Here's the email that burrisconsulting@gmail.com got from, very clearly it says they got this email from Teddy Burris, or tlburris@teddyburris.com, requesting access to the following document. Right there's the email. It's in there, and this person has the ability to make a decision what they do or don't want to do. They can let them become editor, let them become commenter, or leave it at viewer. Click OK and hit the share button, and that'll make the change happen. However, the question is, if I ask for access and then I delete my Google account, will this go away? Will they still know that you requested access? The answer is absolutely, definitively yes. You deleting your account, you deleting your email, you changing your name on your account, whatever you want to do on your Google account has nothing to do and will have no impact on this message that you have already sent and is in this email inbox for the person that you sent it to, who you requested access to that file. Please don't do something drastic like delete your Google account, delete your Gmail if you send a request accessing a file, because it's not going to change what they have already gotten from you. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.